Hello everybody, today is Monday. How are you doing today? Today I'm going to talk about the miter gear. The miter gear, sometimes you will not see this kind of design, this kind of tool, because the miter gear, there is one thing is very important that you need to pay more attention is the assembly, because there are two axis direction for the miter gear, one direction axis and another axis direction. You must leave some room, adjustment room for the operator, for the tool maker to adjust when assembly the two miter gears. And when you order the gears, you will tell the supplier to say, this is a miter gear, I want these two assembly together.